Welcome to the TopPick lab. The best Honeywell filter is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in maintaining a healthy and comfortable home environment, silently working to capture dust, pollen, pet dander, and other airborne irritants that can affect your family's well-being and the overall efficiency of your HVAC system, making its selection a crucial decision for any homeowner aiming for superior air quality and optimal system performance. Number 5. Filterbuy 20x25x4 MERV 8 Air Filter, 2-pack. Introducing our essential air filter, designed to capture dust and allergens. It's the perfect solution for a healthier home environment. This versatile filter is compatible with most HVAC systems, including furnaces, air conditioners, and heat pumps. It ensures your system runs efficiently and supports a healthy lifestyle. With MERV 8 performance, it effectively captures 90% of airborne particles like pollen and mold. Enjoy cleaner air without sacrificing airflow. Our electrostatically charged media traps microscopic particles and lasts 3 times longer than traditional filters. For optimal performance, replace it every 90 days. Featuring a durable beverage board frame and dual wire backing, this filter is built to last. It resists warping and extreme temperatures for reliable performance. Proudly manufactured in the United States with industrial-grade, recyclable materials. Trust in dependable indoor air quality for your home. What we like. This filter offers MERV 8 performance, capturing 90% of dust and common allergens. Its electrostatically charged media lasts 3x longer than fiberglass models. If you're looking for a reliable, cost-effective option for general dust and allergy defense in your home, this is a great choice. What people say. They fit perfectly. Good quality, they should keep the dust on. Consistent quality every time. Fits properly with no gaps or bending. Easy to swap out quickly. Good filtration performance. With a MERV 8 rating, these filters do a great job of capturing dust, dirt, pollen, and pet dander. It's a balanced option for improving air quality in most residential settings without being overly restrictive. Easy to install. These filters fit well and are simple to swap out, which is a huge plus when it's time for a change. Sturdy construction. The pleated design ensures that the filters are durable and can handle regular use without warping or falling apart. Number 4. Filterbuy 20x25x4 MERV 11 Air Filter. Introducing our advanced air filter, designed to provide superior defense against pet dander and common allergens. Breathe easier with cleaner air in your home. Experience enhanced air quality with a MERV 11 rating. This filter captures up to 95% of microscopic particles like dust and pollen without hindering your system's airflow. Enjoy filtration that lasts. Its electrostatically charged media traps more particles and is designed to last 3 times longer than traditional fiberglass filters. Our filters feature robust beverage board frames and dual wire backing for exceptional durability. They are built to resist warping and extreme temperatures, ensuring easy installation and longevity. Proudly manufactured in the United States using industrial-grade, recyclable materials. Trust in dependable indoor air quality, a choice millions of homes rely on. This filter is designed for universal compatibility with most HVAC systems, including furnaces, air conditioners, and heat pumps. It helps improve system efficiency and supports a healthier living environment. What we like. With MERV 11 performance, this filter excels at capturing 95% of dust, pet dander, and allergens. It's designed to last 3x longer than fiberglass. If you have pets or suffer from more severe allergies, this filter provides superior protection for your indoor air quality. What people say. It's effective at improving indoor air quality and does a great job capturing dust, pet dander, and allergens thanks to its MERV 11 rating. Easiest filters to fit right in slots provided. Others bent or twisted, but these fit exactly. They do a great job keeping dust and allergies down in pet hair. The MERV 11 rating is no joke. It traps 95% of airborne particles, making it an amazing defense against dust, pet dander, and pollen. With 14 pleats per foot, there's more surface area to catch the gunk. Number 3. Filterbuy 20x25x4 MERV 13 Air Filter. Introducing our premium air filter, designed to capture smoke and allergens. It ensures a healthier environment for your home or business. This versatile filter fits most HVAC systems, including furnaces, air conditioners, and heat pumps. It's also compatible with specific White Rogers and Pro 1 IAQ models for a perfect fit. Experience superior air quality with MERV 13 performance. It effectively captures 98% of dust and airborne particles without hindering airflow, comparable to MPR 1900 and FPR 10 ratings. Our electrostatically charged media offers filtration that lasts 3 times longer than traditional fiberglass filters. For optimal performance, replace it every 90 days. Featuring durable beverage board frames and dual-wire backing, this filter is built to last. It resists warping and extreme temperatures, ensuring easy installation and reliable performance. Proudly manufactured in the United States using industrial-grade, recyclable materials. Trust in millions of homes that rely on our filters for dependable indoor air quality. What we like. This filter boasts MERV 13 performance, capturing up to 98% of microscopic particles including germs and bacteria. It features 11 pleats per foot for enhanced filtration. If you're concerned about smoke, viruses, or need the highest level of air purification for your home, this is the filter for you. What people say. These filters are the best made filters I have found to date. Sharp folds, tight construction. These MERV 13 even help with fumes and cooking smells. Air quality has improved by a huge massive lot versus MERV 8 that I was using. These are better quality and a better fit than a more expensive 2-letter brand name filter. The Filterbuy brand has every pleat glued to the side to keep dust from going past the filter. Number 2. Honeywell FC100A 1037 MERV 11 Air Filter Media. Introducing the Honeywell FC100A 1037, a premium replacement media air cleaner filter designed for optimal performance. This filter is engineered to effectively capture small airborne particles, ensuring cleaner air in your home. Experience enhanced air quality with this advanced filter. It efficiently removes dust, pollen, and other microscopic irritants, contributing to a healthier living environment for you and your family. Designed for durability and long-term use, this filter boasts a lifespan of up to 12 months. Its robust construction ensures reliable performance throughout its service period. Rest assured, this product meets stringent industry safety standards. It has been rigorously tested to ensure it performs effectively and safely within your air purification system. With precise measurements of 20 by 25 inches, this filter is designed to fit seamlessly into compatible air cleaner units. Enjoy a hassle-free installation and optimal system performance. This convenient pack includes 5 filters, providing excellent value and ensuring you have replacements readily available. Keep your air clean and your system running smoothly for longer. What we like. This Honeywell filter provides MERV 11 filtration, effectively removing small particles from your air. A key highlight is its impressive 12-month longevity, meaning fewer replacements. If you prefer a long-lasting, high-performance filter and want to minimize maintenance, this 5-pack option is an excellent value. What people say. MERV 11 is perfect for my house with a single dog and no major allergies. These filters are exactly as described. They are sturdy. They function well. These are the exact OEM filter for my Honeywell air handler. They last for months and always fit perfectly into that filter space with the tight tolerances, which can be a problem for aftermarket non-Honeywell, cheaper, replacements despite their being marketed as exact replacements. A difference of an 1/8 inch or maybe even a 1/16 inch in any dimension can make installing or removing the filter a headache. The price for these on Amazon, especially if you buy 4 or 5 at a time, is not much more than non-OEM and, considering that they last months up to even a year, I consider them to be reasonably priced and they are always high quality. Something to also keep in mind is that they are rated MERV 11, which is a measure of the level of filtration, particle size, they provide. You will see the same size offered in MERV 12 and even 13 and be tempted to use those thinking that greater filtration would be desirable, but the denser filter material can restrict airflow and end up stressing the blower motor, possibly causing it to burn out and require a very expensive motor replacement to be necessary. Stick with OEM and MERV 11. Number 1. Honeywell 20X25X4 FC200E 1037 Air Filter Replacement. Introducing the Honeywell FC200E 1037 Air Filter Replacement. Designed to capture airborne particles, it ensures cleaner air in your home. With a MERV 13 rating, this filter effectively traps dust, pollen, and other allergens. Breathe easier with enhanced filtration. Measuring 20x25x4, it's designed for a precise fit in compatible systems. Enjoy seamless installation and optimal performance. This is a high-quality replacement filter, ensuring your HVAC system runs efficiently. It's built to last and maintain air quality. Get a convenient 2-pack for long-term use. Keep your air fresh and your system protected with these essential replacements. What we like. This Honeywell filter offers MERV 13 performance, ensuring excellent capture of dust, allergens, and other airborne irritants. It comes in a convenient 2-pack with nominal dimensions of 20x25x4. If you're looking for top-tier air filtration for allergy and germ defense and appreciate the convenience of a 2-pack, this is a solid choice. What people say. Filter works well and is easy to exchange when needing replacement. It filters even the smallest particles. Great filter and MERV 13 rated. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.